Alright. What's up, everybody? It's Cezzo. So now welcome back to my channel. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And anyways, today's video is going to be a Verydice unboxing on this prize here. So here is my prize that I have right here. I'm not going to show my address because my privacy issue. But anyways, let's get right into this unboxing. So right now I have my handy dandy scissors. If you guys are interested in how I get freebies, be sure to download the app Verydice and use my code 349292 349292. Be sure to use that code 349292. That code right there. If you guys did not get that, be sure to check out the link below because I have my code down there. And also download the app BoredWalk and use my code 109470 109470. Use that code right there. And also, if you guys are interested in getting free gift cards by scanning your receipts, be sure to download the app Fetch Rewards and use my code because you will get 2,000 points. So let's get right into this unboxing. And we're going to cut right across from here. And if you guys are wondering where my hoodie is from, it's from Forever 21. And anyways, let's see what's in this package. So here I'm going to grab something. Oh, okay. So this is what I received today. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Alright, so I was really skeptical about this because I really wanted to order the You Can Be brand because when I was on... Yes, it's You Can Be. Because when I was on Verydice trying to order this, it didn't have like the company name on it, and it just said 18 plus professional eyeshadow palettes. But this is how it looks like, and I can't wait to see the swatches. So right now, let's see the swatches on this baby right now. And let's, open this up. Oh gosh, this is not even opening the way I want it to open. But how is your day going, guys? Is everyone having a great Friday? It's actually snowing outside right now of my house. Oh my gosh, why isn't this opening? Alright, so now that we have it, oh my gosh, my foot is itchy. Alright, this is like, alright, so now that I have it open, what the heck, I would bite my fingernails today. Alright, so I was biting my fingernails today, that's why I don't have any nails. Alright, so now we're going to just take off the saran wrap, the wrapping that is on this, and now we're going to see how beautiful these shades are, and hopefully God watched over my packages, because I hope none of them are shattered. But, yep, let's get opening to this. Alright, so the final reveal, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh, and this one actually slides like that. So this slides, and this is palette number 2. It says it right on the back. If you guys cannot see that, it says palette number 2. Alright, so, ready, guys? Let's take a look. 3, 2, and... Oh, that is beautiful. Oh no, it's stuck to like the top. Alright. Wow! Alright, guys, so this is how the eyeshadow palette looks. And this is so beautiful. This reminds me of the Huda... Why can't I talk today? It reminds me of the Huda Beauty palette. And this is so nice. I cannot wait to do a swatch video on this. And again, let me show you guys a little bit up close. And this, I believe, was 6,000 tickets. And it looks just like that. And if you guys want to search for this palette, it is called... just search up You Can Be, and then just look for, this right here. And I love the packaging. It looks so good. And the back, it says, there are 8 buttery, alright, I'm being so, like, weird right now, but it says buttery, shades, and 6 pressed pearls, and 3 chrome toppers, and 1 daring glitter. So we're gonna see if there's actually, like, something like that in here. They all look the same. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you for this palette that I received today. And if you guys are interested in Verydice or BoredWalk or freebies, check out the description below. I love you guys.